All right, guys, updates here. Back to my curiosity. So check the amperage on the chart list of the AWG. This wire can carry up to about 95 amps, which is pretty good for the Outback. And I'm gonna be doing what I'm gonna do right now. I just want to show you the project, what is happening here. And because I'm so curious and I'm so anxious to run the system, this is what I'm gonna do. If you look at here, I have my crimper. It's a hydraulic crimper. I have different dies on it. And if you look, that's my cutter right there. It's very awesome with the nice jaws. And I have my lugs, battery lugs. These are for number 2. Remember, I ordered these ones for doing my my battery interconnect for the AGMs. So you can see right now is a 2 AWG. It's number 2 logs here. You can see my guy here. The cutter can cut. And here is my crimper, hydraulic crimper. Check that. It's a YQK 300. You guys can see the review on this one. I've done it, and it comes with different dies here, all the way to 300. If you look at it right here, it's very nice. I like it. Back in the day, I used to use the MC Hammer. You know what I mean? Pound that thing, and they have another thing again. You can make battery logs, terminals. So I got some seals here. If the seal is broken on any of these hydraulic thing, like leaking, and I can able to they send spares for it. So guys, this is the project here. I might get this thing. I'm not gonna. I have work in the morning, so I don't want to start wiring the system. I want to make sure that I put the lugs on the ends there, and which I have to still cut this wire. One of the positive, I gotta cut it somewhere, but I have to make sure that it's already on the system connected before I'm gonna cut it, where I'm gonna put the disconnect DC disconnect cutoff, battery cutoff switch. Because I'm using lithium, so I want to make sure that I have the maximum protection to cut things. If something want to go wrong, then I add my heat shrink right here. It's gonna look all professional like the other ones I made the last time. Here are the ones I made the last time for the battery interconnect. You can see all the heat shrink. Everything looks nice and smooth. Look at that. Really cool. And yeah, see, these ones number 2s. So you guys watch that video. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm gonna be cutting these. Not cutting right now. I'm gonna be putting links here. These logs here. I bought a quantity of 50 a pack. I got a good deal on those. And I posted the video, I think I posted a link. Someone asked me about that, where I got them. It's good price, and 50 on 50, so I have 100 of them. I can make a lot. I don't have a lot of work or a lot of project with number 2 gauge wire. So more of my project is on number 3 hot or 2 hot cables. So that's what I use for my system. But since I already have these, so I might as well just go. I'm not gonna go wrong. I'm gonna cut that wire because this one's gonna sit here forever. I'll never use it because all my wires are more than that. I have to be a 2 hot cable or 3 hot cable. That's mostly I have on my on my system. The only time I have used a number 2 wire is from the lithiums with the Volkswagen e-Golf. So that's where I have number 2. That's why you can see this little log interconnects right here. But so far so good. I just want to give you updates. I'm going to be doing that. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to the video. This is a part 2 or update on the video I just posted. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.